Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the MongoDB. Today we are going to learn how I can perform the case-insensitive search in MongoDB. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So case-insensitive search refers to a type of search operation in which distinctions between uppercase and the lowercase letters are ignored. So you can use the regex operator for this and along with the I option to make the regex match case insensitive. Okay, so here we have the list of the users. Let's have a look of that one. So let me go and just check. I will going to insert the users. Okay, so here we have, let me just copy this and make this array of objects. Okay, so we will make it like one or two more records. So here we go with this one. So username we will make it like this, John, and here we make its username with small letters, John, and here we will make it uses like J O H caps N. Okay, so these are the things, right? So let's insert this record into our DB. So let me delete this. Okay, let me paste this. Insertion done. Let's move in, and here we go with let's try to search with case insensitive. So here we have a churn, so means that three records should be coming up, whether it's to be uppercase and the lowercase. Okay, let's try to paste it and let's try to find it. So here you can see that whatever the uppercase and lowercase, we are fetching all the data with the help of the regex, right? So this is how you can do the case insensitive search in MongoDB. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.